the next couple of minutes, you will know how to remove the hissing or buzzing sound that your mic makes when recording video on your DSLR. I recorded the following 2 video clips with my Nikon D5300, one with default settings on the camera and the other one with the solutions that I will mention in this video. Here is the video without the settings.
I've not done any settings and I will show you how to do the settings correctly later.
And here is the video with the settings.
Disturbance or the external hiss is much lower than before.
Hope you were able to notice the reduction in noise when the solutions mentioned in this video are applied. To reduce noise, we need to understand why the noise exists in the first place. The main reason why the DSLR mic makes noise is because of a preamp built into the camera. This preamp tries to boost volume when you speak, but it also adds a lot of noise because this preamp is usually of a very cheap quality. Camera makers made DSLRs and mirrorless cameras mainly for photography, and though video has picked up in the last few years, but still the camera makers are catching up with it. So the preamps still come with a lot of noise. I will discuss 2 solutions in this video now. One is just making some settings on your camera, and for the other one, you need to invest around $20 for very high quality sound. So let's begin with the free tip. Go to your camera's mic settings, which are usually within the movie settings of your camera. Choose manual sensitivity. Set the audio sensitivity option to manual and then take the audio level all the way down to 0. From here, increase the audio level by 3 or 4 clicks. This will reduce the overall volume of recording from your camera, but it will also trick your camera into thinking that we do not need a high audio boost, so the mic preamp will not act that much. You will get a recording with a very low noise. Now try to hear the sound in this video that I took without any external mic and with the manual sensitivity set.
So I'm now speaking into the mic without any preamp and without any external mic.
So hope you noticed that the sound is very low but without any noise. So most of the times it's not feasible to use your camera with such a low sound. Now for fixing this low sound problem, the second solution comes in. You need to add an external preamp of high quality which will boost the sound input to the camera. I bought this cheap headphone preamp from Amazon for my camera. I will leave a link to these type of preamps in the description below. The preamp has 2 input 3.5mm jacks. One acts as an input from your mic. The other one, showing the headphone sign, will act as an output for your DSLR. You can use any external mic that you have in your house. This is how the preamp looks when connected to the DSLR. Although the correct preamp required for boosting your voice is a mic preamp, but mic preamps are very expensive. So I tried with a headphone preamp first and it worked almost fine for me. Now this is the sound that I get after installing the preamp from my camera.
Okay, so I'm now speaking into the preamp and now we are getting a clean volume from the preamp. So the disturbance or the external hiss is much lower than before.
Okay, so it's pretty audible and the noise is almost gone. So I'm very happy with this solution. If you have a budget of around $100, then you definitely can go for a Rode mic. Rode mics have this preamp option built into them. In this case, you do not need a mic or a headphone preamp, but just install this Rode mic onto your camera. This solution is much easier. I'm recording mainly in my room, so the headphone preamp works perfectly fine for me. So there it is, guys. These are my 2 solutions which help me get high quality recording from my camera. If you know of any other tips which are helpful, please share with me in the comments below. I hope I can learn something new. Hope you got value out of this video. Please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button if you would like to get notified about my future videos as well. Please share this video with your friends on Twitter or Facebook. Thanks and bye.